there, this is Maybe, or you can call me by my Chinese name, 大可. In this video, I'm going to teach you the basic Chinese, the initials, and finals. This video is mainly for people who want to learn Chinese from the start. If you're going to learn Chinese in the long run but you don't know how to do it, my videos are good guidance for your Chinese learning, helping you to learn Chinese from 0 to 1. Let's get started. There are quite a lot of pinyin in Chinese, but today we only focused on these 6 single initials in Chinese, called 单韵母. The first one is that you pronounce like when you are going to a dentist. Open your mouth widely and ah. Or you might say ah when you step on the dog poo accidentally. The second one, oh, it sounds like the singing of the rooster. Or the beginning of the singing of the SpongeBob. Oh! Just to narrow your mouth to the little circle. And oh, you learn it. The third one is I pronounce it quite often when I doubt about something.
Listen, can I borrow some money from you?
I wish I could, but I don't want to. The first one is E. It sounds like the formal part of the but remember, the initial is not disgusting, so just the formal part is enough. Now you learned how to pronounce it. E. The next one is oo. The mouth of thinking it just like you're trying to kiss someone. So please don't close your eyes when you pronounce it. Just say oo. The last one is the most special because it doesn't exist in formal English. You might have heard it quite often when you were into the Chinese traditional martial TV series. The sounds can help you stop a running Chinese horse. So that's it. You've already learned the most basic and essential pinyin in Chinese. Now repeat it after me. Ah, o, E, U, U. Since you're still here, let me tell you a secret. Why do you need to learn the pinyin? It is useful. With pinyin, you can read all the characters in Chinese. And you can type in Chinese on your phone or computer, even you don't know the Chinese characters. It is the easiest way to master Chinese pronunciation. Speaking just as the native Chinese speakers, isn't it cool to see an astonished face whenever you talk to the Chinese? That's all for today's video. I'm Maybe 大可, an online Chinese teacher who specifically guides students aged 6 to 70. Contact me if you want a one-on-one Chinese tutor. I offer practical learning suggestions at a nice price. In the following video, I will teach you the so-called nightmare for you guys. That's right, the tunes. Bye bye and see you the next time.